welcome to the Senior Lounge again for another session of Art at Home. My name is Amy and we've got Leslie behind the camera, and today we are going to make a beautiful minimalist leather and pearl necklace. The theme for today is less is more. So our supplies are very simple and the technique is pretty simple, and you'll have a beautiful piece of jewelry you can wear for any occasion. So let's take a look at our materials and get started. Inside your Art at Home kit, you have 3 freshwater pearls that are drilled and a cord of leather about 24 inches long. And what you'll need in addition to these items is a pair of scissors. You'll notice that all of the leather cords have a little point that we created just with a pair of sharp scissors. This is to make threading a little easier. So take one of your beads, put it on there, pull it through. Okay, it might be really snug, be patient. Pull it through and then tie it in a little knot to keep it in place. There's one part of it. Now for the decorative pearls, I'm gonna thread 2 of these on. If you want the necklace to look just like the example, I mean, you can do whatever you want. Okay, so you want to find someplace about in the middle to put those, but since they're floating, you know, they can move around wherever. Okay, so to make the other end of your necklace, that's going to create a loop to clasp on the pearl here on this end, you have to tie a knot. That might take a few practice runs to get it right, but fortunately leather is very forgiving and we have all day. So let's try this. Give yourself plenty of room at the end here. Make a little loop, and then we're going to do a couple of little coils underneath your loop. One loop-de-loo, another loop-de-loo, and then on your third loop-de-loo, you come up and go through both of your little coils. Get that end and pull it down so that you have a nice loop like that, and it can be adjusted by pulling one way or the other. Okay, so 2 loop-de-loos, and then on the third, you bring it down like so. So you want to trim this end pretty close. Always do it with a little curve, looks nicer, okay? And this end you want to leave a little bit of slack so that you can tighten and loosen your loop, but you don't want so much of it that it's like tickling your neck. And my necklace is complete. There you have a beautiful, simple pearl necklace. Of course, you can use this technique with any bead at all, but I just happen to really love the simplicity and elegance of real freshwater pearls. And they're not that expensive. If you want to try it out on your own, you can make bracelets and more necklaces. And now that you know the simple knotting techniques, I think you can go a long way with just these few simple materials. So let us know what you did. Okay, take some pictures of your work, share it on social media, let us know with hashtag #FCCArtAtHome, or you can send pictures. We love pictures. Send it to us here at the Community Center on the email address shown on your screen. So enjoy yourself. Please have fun with these art materials. Keep being creative out there, and we'll see you next time for another session of Art at Home. Bye-bye. Art at Home is made possible in part by generous donations from businesses and community groups, such as our guest today, Optum Healthcare.
Hello, my name is Bertha. I'm the Patient Relation Liaison. As a point of contact person to assist you to navigate your care with Optum, formerly known as Healthcare Partners. Optum is a 5-star rated medical group by CMS. We are in the community of Fullerton at 1501 West Commonwealth Avenue, 1 mile away from the Fullerton Community Center. We are a multi-specialty medical clinic that includes ear, nose, and throat, dermatology, podiatry, urology, GI, and OBGYN. Our 3 primary care clinicians are waiting to meet you and take care of your medical needs. We invite you to stop by for a tour of our new facility. You may also call me at 714-410-3179 to schedule a tour. I look forward to meeting you. Thank you and see you soon.